HaptX Gloves, a groundbreaking advancement in haptic feedback technology, delivering an unparalleled level of realism and immersion in virtual reality experiences. These are cutting-edge haptic feedback gloves with true contact technology achieved through a microfluidic skin. With 130 tactile actuators, they offer hyper-realistic interactions by activating precise points of touch in VR. Air bladders inflate on contact and extends, providing 40 pounds of dynamic force feedback. Designed for VR and robotics pioneers, these gloves serve as an advanced kit for simulation design and research, enabling the remote repair of high-voltage computer equipment safely. Cybershoes. Imagine stepping into a virtual world and actually feeling like you're walking, running, and exploring with your own feet. Cybershoes take your VR adventures to a whole new level by allowing you to physically move in the virtual space. These innovative shoes enable users to physically walk and run in VR environments while staying seated. Equipped with sensors, the shoes capture foot movements, translating them into virtual strides. This ingenious concept creates an immersive experience that bridges the gap between physical and virtual realms. Cybershoes cater to those seeking a seated VR experience, offering comfort and ease. Whether exploring fantastical landscapes, engaging in intense gaming, or participating in training simulations, Cybershoes add a dynamic layer to the VR journey. This inventive accessory not only enhances immersion, but also introduces a fun and active dimension to the virtual reality encounter. Virtuix Omni One. This innovative system offers a unique full-body VR experience by enabling users to physically walk, run, and move within virtual environments. Users wear special shoes that are designed to seamlessly glide on the Omni One circular platform. This platform translates users' real-world movements into the virtual space, creating an incredibly immersive and interactive adventure. This device holds immense potential for gaming, fitness, training, and social interaction, as it allows users to explore virtual landscapes with their entire body. By merging physical and digital realms, the Virtuix Omni One is poised to redefine the way we play, learn, and interact in the dynamic realm of virtual reality. RayNeo X2. Step into a world of unmatched visual splendor with the RayNeo X2, the pinnacle of cutting-edge display technology. Discover a new dimension of visual excellence with the device. Imagine a screen that doesn't just display content, it brings it to life. It's designed to offer an unparalleled viewing experience where colors are vivid, contrasts are striking, and every detail is crystal clear. With its state-of-the-art display technology, the device delivers lifelike images that make you feel like you're part of the scene. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing, every moment becomes an immersive adventure. With a focus on user experience, its long-lasting battery ensures all-day connectivity. Security features like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning keep data safe. This device is a versatile choice for those seeking both style and functionality in a modern smartphone. Restore 2, an innovative sleep and wake-up device designed to enhance your sleep routine and overall well-being. This device combines several functions into one, serving as a smart alarm clock, sound machine, bedside reading light, and sunrise simulator. It helps you establish a healthy sleep schedule by gradually simulating sunrise to wake you up gently. With built-in customizable soundscapes, it creates a peaceful atmosphere conducive to falling asleep and staying asleep. You can choose from a variety of relaxing sounds such as nature sounds, white noise, and gentle melodies, helping mask disturbances and promoting better sleep. The device also offers app connectivity, allowing you to control its functions through your smartphone. This means you can customize settings, schedule wake-up times, and choose specific sounds and lighting options to suit your preferences. Aromajoin Digital Scent. This innovative technology leverages the power of scent to enhance various aspects of our lives, from entertainment and marketing to healthcare and beyond. The digital platform allows scents to be captured, digitized, and reproduced electronically. One of the key features of Aromajoin's approach is its user-friendly hardware. The company has developed compact devices that can emit digital scents, allowing users to experience the olfactory dimension without the need for cumbersome equipment. Ella Stroller, a perfect blend of style and functionality, designed to elevate your parenting experience. Imagine a stroller that not only meets your practical needs, but also makes a fashion statement. The Ella Stroller is the embodiment of modern parenting, where convenience meets elegance. With its sleek design and innovative features, the stroller offers a seamless and comfortable ride for both you and your little one. Whether you're strolling through the park, navigating the city streets, or embarking on family adventures, the Ella Stroller is your reliable and fashionable sidekick. The stroller typically includes features such as adjustable recline positions, padded seating, and adjustable footrests to accommodate the child's growth and changing needs. L'Oreal's HAPTA. The device leverages advanced technology to provide assistance to individuals who have difficulty raising their arms, struggle with precise application due to limited grip strength, or face challenges related to limited wrist mobility. HAPTA is particularly useful for tasks like applying lipstick or mascara, where a comfortable angle and steady hand motion are crucial for achieving desired results. By addressing mobility challenges and tremors while applying makeup, HAPTA makes the process of expressing one's beauty easier and more achievable, enhancing the overall beauty experience. It's notable that HAPTA not only highlights L'Oreal's dedication to beauty innovation, but also showcases a genuine effort to improve the lives of individuals who face specific mobility limitations. The device's technology-driven approach underscores the positive impact of technology on various aspects of our lives, including beauty and self-expression. Bird Buddy. Get ready to witness a revolution in birdwatching with Bird Buddy, the smart bird feeder that's taking nature lovers by storm. Gone are the days of simply feeding the birds. Now you can connect, capture, and cherish every moment. Bird Buddy's sleek design and innovative technology turn your backyard into a theater of avian marvels. The built-in camera captures intricate details, transforming ordinary bird visits into extraordinary experiences. With the Bird Buddy app, identifying species and sharing these enchanting moments with friends becomes a breeze. But what truly sets Bird Buddy apart is its genius motion sensor. Say farewell to squirrel invasions. This feeder is exclusively for our feathered friends. Your outdoor space becomes a haven, a sanctuary for nature's most beautiful performers. Now, Watch, tired of feeling overwhelmed by your tasks? Say hello to Nowatch, the game-changing time management solution that's about to revolutionize your productivity. This health-focused smartwatch is the ultimate fusion of technology and well-being that's set to transform the way you approach your health. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's your dedicated companion on your journey to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. It seamlessly integrates with your daily routines, offering personalized insights to help you make informed decisions about your well-being. But it's more than just data. This smartwatch empowers you to prioritize self-care, providing gentle nudges to stand up, stay hydrated, and take mindful breaks. Tired of tossing and turning? Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to a haven of relaxation that transforms your sleep quality. Get ready for a sleep revolution with the Fufuly pillow, your new best friend for better sleep. Imagine a pillow that's super comfy and just the right amount of squishy. The Fufuly pillow is like a cozy hug for your head and neck. The special materials inside give you the support you need while making sure you're comfy all night long. The Fufuly pillow isn't just a pillow, it's a ticket to a world of better sleep.